Hi, my name's Lindsay, and a few weeks ago I came across this product that a company called Brighter Image Labs makes. They're called press-on veneers, and I'd kind of been looking into getting veneers a little bit, and some friends of mine had been asking, how do they do this? Because you don't go to a dentist, and how do they get these to fit your teeth if you're not getting fitted for them? So I went ahead and ordered it. And they just sent me this package. I just got this in the mail. This is box. Comes in this little box. So I'm gonna open it and see what all is inside. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you this without dropping it all over the place, but you can kind of see in here. It looks like it comes with these little things. I read a little bit about this online, so I kind of have an idea of what's going on here, but it also has some instructions right here as well, but there's videos on their website and stuff to kind of walk you through it also. So it looks like it comes with 2 of these trays, and you're supposed to do both of them for the same arch, like the top. Both of these will be for my top. That way they get a really good impression to make sure that things went smoothly, I guess. But let's see. So the instructions tell me to pull out this catalyst, 1 catalyst and 1 base, and to mix it together. So you're going to want to mix it together really, really well. Kind of make it easy since one of them's blue to see that it's mixed really well. It says to do this for about 45 seconds till it's all blended. I did brush and floss my teeth really well because I want these to fit my clean teeth, and also clean, dry hands is the way you're supposed to do it. Okay, so it also, make sure I mix this really good. Next I have to roll it into this, if you've ever played with Play-Doh as a kid, you know what this is. Okay, so kind of even, and then it's kind of long. Ooh. And put it in the arch, and I'm gonna just press it. I'm not gonna bite it. It says to not bite down, in caps, do not bite down. So put it over the teeth, centered so it doesn't scrape up against either of these walls, and then you just gently press it up with your fingers. Sorry about that. My camera stopped recording kind of in the middle of that. What I was showing you with the stopwatch is, it says in here to do it for about 30 seconds, but I read somewhere online that to get a better impression and to get it set up better, to do it for a minute, so I wanted to make sure that I did it for longer so that my impressions were set up really good. So I'm going to try to show you here what I've done here. I think this is pretty good. Luckily they sent 2, so I won't bore you with doing that one in front of you. But so you can see my teeth here. You can see my gum line here a little bit, or a lot of it, which is what they want. They did tell me that the most important part of this whole process is the impressions. So no pressure, but they can't give you a really good fitting veneer if they don't have the proper impressions. And so, like I said, that can be a lot of pressure, but it saves you a lot of time and money, and it's really convenient to be able to do this right here very quickly. So I'll do that other impression, and I'll send it back with an envelope that they gave me, this little card that you have to fill out. Make sure you fill out the card. And hopefully in a few weeks, I'll get my veneers.